Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most scoring portion also, as it requires only your basic numerical and mathematical skills like from class 6 to class 10. So if your mathematical concepts are clear, then you can easily solve these questions and get a good enough marks to increase your total marks. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. By selling 1 dozen ball pens, a shopkeeper earned a profit equal to the selling price of 4 ball pens. Now we need to find the profit percentage. So first of all, we assume that selling price of 1 ball pen is X. Therefore, the selling price of 12 ball pens, that means 1 dozen ball pens, is 12x. Now the profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Now by the question, the profit is 4x and the selling price we already know, which is 12x, and we do not know the cost price. Therefore, cost price is 12x minus 4x, that means 8x. Now profit percentage is always equals to profit over cost price into 100. Therefore, we have profit, which is 4x, cost price, which is 8x into 100. That means the profit percentage is 50%, hence option A is the correct answer. Now let's check the second question. In how many years will sum of 3000 yield a simple interest of 1080 at 12% per annum? So here P, which is the principal amount, is 3000, the simple interest, which is 1080, and the rate is 12%. As we know that simple interest is PRT divided by 100, where P is the principal amount, R is the simple interest rate, and T is the time. Therefore, we get 1080 is equals to 3000 into 12 into T divided by 100. So from this we get the value of T, which is 1080 into 100 divided by 3000 into 12. Therefore, our required time is 3 years. Hence option A is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved two questions. Now if you want to know about quants, if you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these two numbers, 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sorosasclasses.com. Thank you very much.